Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue with Samsung TVs, when your TV keeps turning on and off repeatedly. This can be really annoying, but don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective solutions to fix this problem. Let's dive into why this happens and how you can resolve it. Step 1. Check power connections. Begin by ensuring all power connections are secure, both at the wall socket and on the TV itself. Loose connections can lead to power fluctuations that trigger the on-off cycle. Step 2. Inspect remote control. Sometimes the issue lies with the remote control. Check if any buttons are stuck or if the batteries are low. Replace the batteries or use the TV controls directly to rule out remote-related problems. Step 3. Update firmware. Updating your TV's firmware can address software glitches that cause erratic behavior. Navigate to the settings menu on your Samsung TV, find a software update, and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Step 4. Power cycle the TV. Performing a power cycle can sometimes reset the TV's internal software and resolve minor issues. To do this, unplug the TV from the power source, wait for about a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 5. Reset TV settings. As a last resort, you can reset your Samsung TV to factory settings. This will erase all custom settings and apps, so use it cautiously. Navigate to settings greater than support, greater than self-diagnosis, greater than reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. Conclusion. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped resolve the issue of your Samsung TV repeatedly turning on and off. If the problem persists after trying these fixes, it might indicate a hardware issue, and it's best to contact Samsung support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.